Good morning, student. Let us see the first chapter of class 8 English medium, 8E and B both the classes. Okay. So first chapter is computer network. So whenever you say computer, we're going to see the computer plus network. Both we're going to see the definition of this. Computer is an electronic machine which helps to do your work more faster and solve complex problem. Whereas network connection of two or more computers through single server is known as network. Let's see the question given behind the chapter first of class 8 student, first chapter. In that first I will ask, what is a node? Node are the computer connected to the server or workstation. So they are the computer which connected to the server. That's a node. Next, what is topology? So whenever we say topology is a structure or it's a way through the computers are connected. So let's see what they are. The art of connecting different computer in network is called topology. So through various way computers are connected through the server, they are topology. Like bus topology, star topology, ring topology, different topologies are there. We are going to see that later on. Describe the network in your own word. So you can define the network in your own word. So network is an interconnection of two or more computers with each other. That is a network. Write the three benefits of network. Whenever we say network, here computers are connected through the server. So each computer can share the resources with each other, or they can send or receive the message with each other. So various advantages are that. Let us see one by one each. Ease of access. Ease of access is that through this we can easily access one computer with other computers. See, with the help of this facility, one can easily interact with each other. So communication takes place between each of them. That is ease of access. Next, work from home. So once your computer connected to the server, you can work from the home. Like today's, because of the COVID, all the persons are sitting at home. So by sitting at home, they can do their work through the network. So network has dedicated computer that allow people to connect to the company network. Using the modem, people can work from home. So once we connect to the network by sitting at home, we can work at home. Your computer connect with the modem. What is a modem? Full form mod is modulation, demodulation. Its function is that to encrypt and decrypt the data. Next, sharing of resources. Computer can connected to the network can share equipment and devices including printer and other hard drives. So whenever you share resources, you can share our devices which are connected through the network. Differentiate between LAN and WAN. So let us see what is LAN, what is WAN. First, LAN is local area network, whereas WAN wide area network. Local area network, it says that it's a network which is only local within the region, within 1/2 kilometer. Okay, that is a LAN. Whereas WAN is wide area network where connectivity take place from one country to another country. Okay, that is a WAN, wide area network. Name itself indicate wide. LAN, it is a local area network, whereas WAN, it is wide area network. LAN, it is used in short distances, that is 1.5 kilometer, within the range of 1.5 kilometer. Whereas it is used in long distances, okay, from one country to another country, one metropolitan city to another metropolitan city. So in WAN, one country connect with other country. Third, example of computer connected in a office, within a building, whereas in WAN, example, internet and ATM facility. Through the internet we can communicate with anyone. Through the ATM we can access the money from anywhere. Write short notes on hardware parts required to establish network. So whenever we establish network, so what are the things required? In that we require modem, hub and router. We're going to see in detail what is it. Modem. When you say modem, its task is modulation demodulation. So it is stand for modulation demodulation. It helps to transmit the data through telephone line, and its main job to convert digital data to analog signal and analog signal to digital signal. So its main task of the modem to encrypt and decrypt the data. Next, hub. So hub is the device which where all the computers are connected. So it's a hardware device used to connect several computers together. When hub receives the data packet, then it transmits to all connected devices. So hub is used in star topology, main function to receive the data and transmit the data. Router. It is a communication device that is used to connect two network each, such as LAN to LAN. So whenever you say router is used for defining the path. So it is used in communication to define the path. It helps to connect to LAN. It is used to forward data packet from source machine to the destination machine. So here it helps to send data from sender to the receiver and from receiver to the sender. Write the advantages and disadvantages of the following topologies. Okay, so topology, I explain what is topology. It's a structure of connecting computer to with each other. Let's see star topology. So whenever we say star topology, here we can say star it is in the form of a star and the sender hub is there. Let us see advantages. It has minimal line of cost. Here there is a minimal line of cost, whereas first and second, if one computer fail, remaining can work. If one computer fail in star topology, other computer can work. And disadvantage, if the hub fail, all connected computers can stop working. That's the main drawback. Disadvantage. Ring topology, it works well where there is no central site computer system. So here there is no central computer. It is in the form of a ring. A ring is nothing, the cable that will be in the form of ring, and in that cable all the computers are connected. It is more reliable. Okay, so here there is more reliable, it's trustable. There is no chance of losing data. Disadvantage, it require more complicated software. Here complicated software required, and failure of one node will fail the entire network. If the one node fail in that, then the network will not work. Mesh topology, when we say mesh, here all the computers connect with each other. Failure of one node does not affect the rest of the network. If one node fail, it does not going to affect any other node. At that time also all the computer can work properly except the node which had disturbed. Communication is very fast between two nodes. Here communication very fast because there is a dedicated path with each computer. Disadvantage, it is most expensive network. It is most expensive network. Here it's very costly. Maintenance of this network is complicated. So maintenance is very costly. Last, bus topology. It is quite easy to set up. For installing, it's easy to set up. Failure of one node does not affect rest of the node. Here also, if one node is failed, other node will work. Disadvantage, it affects limited flexibility. It has a limited flexibility. So here flexibility is very less. Stop and forward method is used for sending and receiving the data. Whereas, what do you understand by wireless communication? Explain any one popular wireless topology technology. So here let us see. Whenever you see wireless communication, so communication are two types: guided media, unguided media. Guided media is a wireless, wired communication. Unguided media is wireless. So here there is no physical path from sender and receiver, like our mobile phone cell. There is no physical path from sender to receiver. So it is a wireless communication. Whereas wired media where there is path sender to receiver like telephone. Let's see. In wireless communication, there is no physical path from sender and receiver. So there is no physical path from sender to receiver. So there is no wire from sender to the receiver of the computer. Message can be sent through data packets. So packet nothing, it's a way through data can be sent from sender to the receiver. When large data is there, then that data divided into small parts, and that's known as packet. For example, mobile phone. Some of the wireless media are Bluetooth, infrared, Wi-Fi. That is wireless fidelity. Okay, so all this media help to connect other devices without physical path. So these all are the wireless media. Okay, among them, let us see in detail one of them. Let us see Bluetooth, which is more commonly used by everyone nowadays to transfer your data to connect your mobile with other. It is referred to the wireless technology which allows the digital devices to easily transfer file at high speed. Bluetooth is common in many portable devices such as laptop, PDA, personal digital assistant, mobile phone, smartphone and tablets. So this can be used in all devices. With the help of this, we can easily transfer our file. Okay. So this is regarding first chapter, question answer.